Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about how to change UPI PIN or how to reset UPI PIN in Google Pay application if you don't remember it. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Google Pay application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once you open Google Pay application, all you have to do is just simply select profile option on the right hand side top corner, and after that select bank account. Now in bank account, you will get list of bank which you have already added in Google Pay app. Now you have to select only that particular bank for which you don't remember your UPI PIN and you want to change it. So in my case, I want to change UPI PIN for IDFC First Bank. So I have selected it. On the next page, you get an option of forgot UPI PIN. So if you don't remember it, select this particular option. It will take you to the next page and directly it is asking me to enter debit or ATM card information. So if you have debit card, you can just enter the last 6 digit of your card, enter the expiry date and then go ahead. I have entered the card details. Let's tap on next option. Now it is saying enter 6-digit OTP. So you will receive an OTP from bank on your registered mobile number. You have to enter the OTP and go ahead. So as you can see, I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on next option. And now here is where you can set new PIN. So it is saying set 4-digit UPI PIN. So enter your new PIN and go ahead. I have entered the new PIN. Let's tap on next option. And again, it is saying confirm 4-digit UPI PIN. Enter the new PIN once again. So after entering the new PIN once again, you can simply tap on done option. And now you can see UPI PIN updated. So this is how simple it is to change or reset UPI PIN using Google Pay application. Also, you can do the same thing for other bank as well if you don't remember UPI PIN for that particular bank. Just select the bank and select forgot UPI PIN. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.